Hello, I'm eating pancakes. We woke up and it's breakfast time, so we're eating pancakes.
Wait, you're starting the show without me?
Well, you best hurry up. Yeah.
It's the AK show.
AK show. Fine. Sir, Aunt Jemima.
Because I'm Caitlin and that's Andrea and we're the AK show.
I'm Andrea. That's Caitlin.
Well, I'm coming, ladies and gentlemen.
Right now you are in my kitchen. Let's show.
No, I look really bad this morning. So I'm just gonna go get a fork now.
Yeah, okay. There.
Okay, I'm back. So,
Look at this tiny pancake.
yeah, I don't
So
have
tiny.
one. You're dripping all over the place.
Oh.
Anyways, why I do that? There's nothing on my fork. Anyways, okay, so we want to know what you like to eat on your pancake. What you like with your pancake: orange juice, apple juice, milk, potato sauce.
Do you like pancakes?
Yeah. Do you like pancakes? Yeah, we like pancakes. Do you like waffles? Yeah, we like waffles. Do you like French toast? Yeah, we like French toast. So comment. Tell us what you like. Yeah, eat these pancakes. Delicious. You know, last night we were eating pizza.
You know, pizza was really good. Type in eating yummy pizza and you'll
There
find
it
our
is,
video.
yeah.
Pizza's good. So is pancakes. We just like stuff that starts with a P. But not poopy or P, just pizza, pancakes.
Oh, and do you microwave your syrup or do you eat it cold or what? You know,
It's an easy question, just answer it.
my dad used to heat up his syrup for like 5 minutes and it'd get all bubbly. Really good though. Yeah. So, comment. Tell us what you like. And if you're wondering why we're in the same clothes, it's because we were too lazy to change into pajamas.
Yeah, if you watch Eating Pizza or our first funny AK show, you'll see that we're wearing the same shirts. Well, too bad. We were just too lazy to change into our pajamas.
Yep. His last name's Dirt. We are watching Joe Dirt right now, so if you hear background noise, it's Joe Dirt.
It's Joe Dirt. Joe Dirt's awesome.
Yeah. Well,
Some syrup. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed life.
life.
Hey, you have to enjoy life to have one life. Life's a garden. Dig it.
Really? Dig it? No. I think I'll just bury myself in a hole. No, I'm kidding, because I love my life. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Wait. I
What?
want to say something.
Okay, say something.
I love pancakes. Okay, bye.
I love pancakes. Yeah, I like pancakes.